Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Realme Watch S to your phone. First, make sure your watch has a full charge to avoid interruptions during setup. Next, download the official Realme Link app from your phone's app store and install it. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone and place your Realme Watch S within a few inches of your phone for a strong connection. Now, open the Realme Link application on your phone. You will find an Add Device option. Tap on it to begin. The app will scan for nearby devices, so select your Realme Watch S when it appears in the list. A pairing request will then pop up on both your phone and watch. Simply confirm it on both screens to complete the connection. Once connected, you can personalize your Realme Watch S. Dive into the app to discover a wide array of watch faces, allowing you to customize its look to match your style. You can also configure notifications for incoming calls, text messages, and various applications directly to your wrist. Furthermore, utilize the watch to track important health data, such as your heart rate and blood oxygen saturation levels, throughout your day. Should you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and Realme Watch S often resolves the problem. Always check that the Realme Link app has all required permissions enabled in your phone settings for seamless operation. For the best experience and access to the latest features, regularly update the Realme Link application and your watch's firmware to their newest versions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.